Zelle payment not showing in your bank. Now, to fix the Zelle payment not showing in your bank account, you must verify that your registered email or phone number is actively linked to your bank's Zelle profile. So what you can do is open your mobile banking app that you use and navigate to Zelle settings and ensure the exact email or phone number the sender used is fully registered and verified. Also, if you're using Zelle for the first time with a specific email or phone number, look for an official text or email notification from Zelle containing a manual confirmation link so that you can accept the invite. And also, if you have multiple bank accounts across different institutions, check your other banking apps. Zelle routing instantly defaults to whichever bank was linked to that specific phone number last. And still you're facing an issue, then don't worry, simply scroll down and you can scroll down to learn more about the Zelle network and where you can visit our help center. Simply tap on it and read through these vlogs if you have a similar problem. But if you want more resources, scroll down and tap on more resources. And from here you'll be able to communicate with the contact support teams and their partners. Simply tap on contact support and then you'll be able to contact the team. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.